Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on or enable two-step verification on LinkedIn. The first thing you do is open up your LinkedIn app, tap on the profile icon at the top, right corner, tap on settings at the bottom, tap on sign in and security, the second option, then tap on two-step verification, which you can see is turned off, tap on it, then tap on setup. Choose verification method. Let's say I want to use the phone number SMS. Tap on continue. Then add the phone number. Then you put in your LinkedIn password. Then tap on send code. Then you have to put in the code I sent. Paste it, tap on verify, then you can see it is on. It's as simple as that.